Today, I want to introduce about why are Japanese people so polite. Before I start it, I want to ask everyone a question. Have you ever met a Japanese person and thought, wow, they are so polite? If you have this kind of experience, please raise your hand. Okay, and do you know why they're so polite? The only thing we know is in Japan, they will use honorific or do some polite action in their daily life, but we don't exactly know why they need to do that or why they need to be polite. So I'm very curious about this question. I do some research, asked for my Japanese teacher about this question, and I debriefed 3 main points. These 3 main points are: the first, cultural rules; the second, society and education; and the last is politeness vs honesty. Let's look at the first main points. The first main point, cultural rules. In Japan, people are more focused on harmony and wa in Japanese. It means peace and balance in their relationship. So, politeness. We can know the reason why politeness is very important in the Japanese daily life. And the next one is Confucian influence. Japan was influenced by Confucianism a lot, and a Chinese philosophy says that we need to respect to the elder, follow the elder, and know their duties. So being polite is not only saying something nice words, but also it shows the respect, know their place in the society. Meaning of politeness. In Japan, many people think politeness can keep harmony and avoid conflict. So they do a lot of polite action in their daily life. For example, they often speak softly and bow to each other. Also, they choose words carefully. By this kind of way, we can know politeness can keep peace and maintain their relationship. The second main point, society and education. In Japan, the children learn politeness in a very young age, at school or at home. Politeness is not just something what they are doing. Politeness has become who they are. And in their school life, in Japanese school, students clean their classroom every day, and they greet students very politely. So, by doing this daily action, they can learn teamwork, respect, and responsibility. So, this is the most simple ways to learn that everyone can help each other, and everyone can take care of each other. And in their everyday manner, people often bow. And they bow in a lot of situations, like greeting, thanking, and apologizing. And they often use polite words. For example, they often use sumimasen, it means excuse me. And they also often use arigato, it means thank you. It doesn't mean that they do something wrong, but by doing this kind of daily action, they can show their respect, show their kindness to other people. The next is customer service. If you have been to Japan, you will notice that Japanese worker is really polite because Japanese workers often use keigo or honorific language to greet customers. For example, if you enter a room, they will say, if you enter in a shop, they will say, "Irashaimase," which means welcome to customer. And customer will feel more special and feel more comfortable. The last main point, politeness vs honesty. There are very people wondering, are Japanese always sincere when they are polite? The answer is not always. Because politeness is only the way to show the respect, rather than express their true feelings. And there are two words in Japanese. The first word is tademai. Tademai means the polite face that show in public. And the second word is hone. Hone means your true feelings or true thoughts. And in most of the situations, Japanese people will choose to use tademai use tademai to avoid conflict and keep harmony. So, by this point, we can know politeness can hide Japanese people's real thoughts. And a reflection question: would you rather hear polite word or honest truth? Which one to keep harmony? This question is from my Japanese teacher, and I think it's most of the Japanese people's opinion. They would like to use polite words or hear the polite word. But in my opinion, I would like to hear the honest truth. Why? Because I can really know what's wrong with me, and I will have a chance to improve myself. And what about you? Which one to keep harmony? And in conclusion, I summarize the three main points. The first point is cultural rules, which value harmony and respect. The second one is society and education, which teach manner from a very young age. The last one is politeness vs honesty, where people choose peace over conflict. In the end, to the people in Japan, politeness is not just manner. It's a way to their daily life. They show respect, they show their kindness, and they show the care for the others. So that is the reason why when we met Japanese people, we will think, wow, they are so polite. And this is my presentation. Thank you, everyone.